And Craig Setzer has full coverage of what's going on in the tropics, which means he has his hands full because it's pretty busy, right?
Yeah, and 13 is not a lucky number either.
No. But we're going to try to turn that around, okay? We're gonna hope for the best in this situation. No, and what am I doing now? Because a lot of folks are saying, what are you doing? Well, I'm not panicked. I'm not worried. I'm not excited. I got some batteries today. That's what I did today. And a couple of days ago, I filled up my gas tank. So kind of a low-key approach as we go into this because we've got some time. And a storm that hits on a Monday, I think in some ways is better because you've got Saturday and Sunday to make your preparations if they are needed. Here's the latest on advisory on Depression 13, 35-mile-an-hour winds moving west-northwest at 21. Here's the latest watches that are in effect now for Puerto Rico as well as the northern Leeward Islands there. And then here is the threat cone. There's the Friday afternoon time frame. There's the Saturday afternoon time frame. And as we go here, I think by Saturday we're going to start to really pay attention to what the system is doing, actually doing, what it looks like, how strong it is. Are the clouds kind of spread out or is it consolidating? By Saturday, we should have a pretty good idea. Is this going to be something that's going to be fairly serious here in South Florida? Or is it going to be something that we're going to have some impacts and some effects, but it's not going to be that big a deal? So that's kind of where we're setting our sight now for Saturday, because after that, it moves into an area of pretty favorable conditions here through Sunday. Definitely by Sunday morning and Sunday afternoon, we should have a good feel on what's going on. Is it going to be just a windy, rainy day Monday and Tuesday, or is it going to be something worse? Hurricane Center, of course, because it is moving over conditions that are favorable for development here in the last 3 to 4 to 5 days of their forecast track. They are indicating a hurricane here at this forecast point. That's not out of the question. We wouldn't be surprised if we saw a hurricane coming into South Florida at this point. It does not look like a huge storm in the computer models, and it doesn't look like a major storm in the computer models. So two things that we're going to keep a close eye on. That's not all that's out there. Tropical Depression 14 formed today. It's down here in the Caribbean. We've been tracking it. Tropical storm warnings now in effect for a part of the Honduran coast there, and there's the future track with it forecast to head to the west and then to the north across the Yucatan Peninsula sometime on Saturday through Sunday, and then it's up to the north after that. And folks along the Texas and Louisiana Gulf Coast are watching this one very carefully as well. There are both systems together. There's 14. There's 13. You can see 13 not looking quite as round or as organized. That's because it's struggling with some dry air that has been out there, and that's a good thing. We like it that it's struggling. The center located right about there. So what's going on with it in terms of holding it back? Well, right now it's kind of running into another little area of shear here, and because it didn't get that strong, now it's having to fight off wind shear, and it's not doing a great job at that. So for the next 24 to 36 hours, it's going to be fighting wind shear. But then we get into that Saturday time frame there. There we are, Saturday noon. Now it's getting away from the shear and getting towards this more favorable area for development. There we are by Sunday, and there we are by Monday, and it's moving over this very warm water as well. So a lot of conditions favor strengthening here, but we have to have some type of coherent system in the Saturday time frame to then develop, and that's not a guarantee at this point. Closer to home, we've seen showers and some thunderstorms. This activity is going to be moving in and out this evening. Still some leftover rain right now in the metro areas. Cloudy out there and humid temperatures right now in the mid-80s, and moisture for the storms is going to be moving out. Drier air moves in for Friday and relatively dry Saturday and Sunday, but then here comes the moisture associated with 13. That's the Monday time frame there. Here's our forecast then for tonight. Just a few early storms. That activity moving on out. Quiet overnight, a low temperature near 80. Tomorrow look for a good deal of sunshine. The breeze comes up a little bit, maybe a brief shower, a high temperature near 92. On the water, winds picking up a little bit southeast at 15, seas running 2 to 4 feet, surf temperatures at 87. Through the weekend, we've got some good weather days before the weather goes downhill, of course, Monday and Tuesday. Back to you.